Thutha wa gututhuka na njira nene kwa murimu wa coronavirus bururini uyu, thirikari ni ihingiriirie aikari milioni 60 kuma nja wa bururi kana guceranira kuria gukinyerio muthe andu makiria 400 ni makuite niundu wa mututhuko wa murimu uyu. Gutherema kwa homa ino gutumite atongoria guku bururini kuria thirikari ihinge mihaka ya Kenya niguo kugitira Kenya.
Because coronavirus is coming from outside the country and it cannot come through our local borders. Coronavirus possibility can only be from international visitors. So we should be putting measures in place to protect and to prevent this virus from entering Kenya through our airport.
Ruhonge ruria rurugamiriirie wonjoria guku bururi-ini KEPSA rugite biacara nyingi ni cihutitio kuona onjoria ingi magiraga indo ciao mabururi maria magumirwo ni homa ino ya corona.
Africa is trading a lot with China. In terms of revenues, with China, African airlines are doing 5% of their revenues and 7% in Asia Pacific. So it means 12% in Asia. So the coronavirus will have an impact on trading between Africa and China and Asia Pacific for sure.
Kaige aikari a Italy maguraga indo cia thira kana riria ciendeka no gututhuka kwa murimu uyu gucungiririe aikari gutengera matuka-ini kugeria kugura indo iria cingimateithia ihinda riri mihaka gukorwo ihingitwo citanathira. Tauni ya Lambadi niyo irari ya mbere kuhingwo na icigo ingi makiria 10 iria cina aikari makiria milioni 16 thutha wa andu makiria 9,000 kurwara murimu ucio. Italy ni bururi wa keri thutha wa China gukorwo na ikuo nyingi muno undu uria ucungiriirie atongoria guku bururi-ini kuga mabururi mothe maria mahutanitio na murimu ucio maya gukorwo ugwati kuria Kenya angikorwo Kenya ndi kuhinga mihaka yayo.
Why should we allow any flight from China, for example, or from Turkey or from Italy, while knowing that Italy has already many cases of coronavirus?
Kuhingwo kwa mihaka ya Italy gucungiriire mithako yothe bururi-ini ucio kurugamio nginyagia mweri wa kana undu uria gukorwo uhutitie ligi nene ya mubira Serie A. Ribotera Inooro TV, gitagwo muitiriri wa Wangari.